looks like the soap has legs. Dance. Welcome back to another video. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Kelly, and today is so exciting. We get to partner with Amazon Handmade.
And we're out here at the Sphere for the coolest event downtown.
Yes!
Free stuff!
Free gifts! It's the holidays! People are feeling festive!
The artisans are making art.
And they're giving it away. Okay, I see them. They're in white sweatshirts. They say handmade. They're at that corner. Let's see people's reactions with getting free stuff.
The best gifts come with no strings attached, and Amazon Handmade is out here delivering smiles to tons of people in Seattle.
The artisans behind the handcrafted gifts are hand delivering their products to unsuspecting passerbyers, including us.
What did you get?
Bam.
Ooh!
Oh, wow.
Cool, right?
An octopus in a bathtub. I like it.
I dig it.
What do you get?
Wait, you got stuff
Something
too?
different?
Yeah.
Cranberry scented candle. Oh my god.
So with the camera, I think that they know that we're kind of with Amazon today. So I'm gonna act like I am just a random person.
How's your day going?
Good, how was yours?
Good, man. Good. I can't.
What's the name of your business?
We're Black Lantern, and we're one of the artisans on Amazon Handmade. And we're just out here giving out some gifts today for the holidays. So
It's little coasters.
feel free to throw the trash.
Hold me closer, Tony Danza. This is cute. Thank you.
They don't have any ideas. Go act like
Go and act like
just walk by. Go.
No, they're not gonna give me
Get another one.
So we're with we're artisans.
Okay.
So we're out here. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good. So we're artisans. Yeah, we're artisans selling Amazon Handmade, and we're giving away some gifts today. So,
Oh my god, thank you.
So,
Oh, look, we got the same thing.
Yeah.
You made it?
yeah.
Oh wow.
And just rub it. The oils and the leather just gonna feel it.
We totally got another gift. Coasters. They smell really good. What's your gift count?
Okay, my gift count's out 2. What are you?
I have 2 as well.
Okay, so we're tied.
We haven't been to this side of the building though,
Yeah.
so they're gonna have no idea.
I'm on the hunt. Okay, here's some more people getting gifts.
Did you get free stuff?
What'd you guys get?
Yeah,
We
it
don't know
feels like
yet.
a candle.
I should open it. I know.
Yeah.
What
Yep.
flavor?
Candle.
Flavor?
Ooh, yeah, cranberry wood.
You don't eat it.
Well, scent. Sorry, what scent? Let's hand out gifts to people. Let's be Santa. I want to be Santa. Okay, let's go in another corner. Do you want to go down there near Starbucks? Free gift from Amazon.
Oh, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh.
Thank
An artist made it.
Do you guys want free gifts from Amazon Handmade? For the holidays?
I'm good, thank you.
No? Oh, it's free. No strings attached.
Here, let me do
We
this.
better have the professionals get it.
Let me do this. It's an artisan made it. Little flower soap.
No strings attached.
It's all free, and an artist made it.
Well,
This is awesome.
Do you love it?
happy holidays.
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Well, we didn't make it.
Thank you so much. You too.
Amazon homemade. It's a bar of soap and a little pumpkin spice lip gloss. It's made by local artisans. We're helping them give out gifts.
Okay.
Would you like it? I'm sorry, I don't have 2.
No, that's fine. Here, I'll just
But
carry it for
actually,
you.
one can have the soap and one can have the free.
Okay, thank you.
That's great.
Happy holidays.
That's how you
Okay, let
give
me
gifts.
try again.
They have the actual artists out here
Yes.
giving out their own. That's cool.
I know, you get to ask
And I feel
questions.
bad that we're tricking them.
No, but we're re-gifting and we played Santa.
Not only did we scam the artist,
This
but
was
like
your idea.
it was your idea to go tomorrow and do the same thing.
But we should probably wear different outfits.
We're not gonna come down
the
here.
leopard lady.
There's
again.
multiple locations, right?
Multiple locations, and it all continues tomorrow.
And so will this video.
Destination is on your left. 1300 First Avenue. Arrived.
Okay, it's day 2.
Day 2.
I have different glasses on. Kelly, you look kind of the same.
No, I don't.
Are these the same artist?
I'm not in a power pantsuit.
We're gonna go out here and get more gifts.
We have to find an artist that's not the same one. Okay, I think I look different enough, and I look.
Are you in house shoes?
No, no. So So today they're at the Harbor Steps, which is a different location from yesterday, and we look different. Let's change lenses, and I'm gonna hide behind here and get you like hidden camera style.
I gotta get on my phone and act natural.
Oh, look at
They left, actually. I think they're going to Westlake now. So let's go to Westlake. We're getting free gifts. Come on. Okay.
We're back.
Okay.
Attempt number 3 to find Amazon Handmade to see what the gifts are today. Other than that lunch, I'd recognize that man bun anywhere.
Yeah, they're eating lunch, which I feel like, okay, maybe we don't need to be stealing from them.
No, it's the holidays. It's all about giving. What Amazon Handmade is doing is
It's so
sweet.
epic.
I mean,
go to amazon.com/handmade and you can get it. And maybe
support
that's
the
what
artists.
maybe
Yes.
that's what we should be doing.
Yes.
So this is really cool. You can actually read all about the artisans and how they make their products on Handmade.
And while you're there, check out the two brothers who were behind the coasters that we got. You can read all about their process, their story, and I like knowing the story behind the products that I have, and I think you will too.
Thank you, Amazon Handmade, for partnering with us for this video.
Yes.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next one, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.